Good morning, guys. It's me, Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, as we can see here, the gold is finally stabilizing somewhere around like 1961 to 1946 range, and the one of the major reason is that the investors are looking for additional fundamentals to drive further price action in the market. However, for now, as you see, the market plays the highest level of 1981, and it is the historical level, and the closing of candle below 1981 is the formation of candle is shooting star. Like we call this particular candlestick pattern a shooting star. Guys, the shooting star, which is followed by three white soldiers. These are three white soldiers, and then after that, market close a shooting star. This suggests that the bulls are exhausted, and or either the market is in the overbought situation, and we can expect a profit taking in the market. And that's exactly how market reacted below 1981 after forming a shooting star, which was followed by the three bullish candles. The market has closed a strong bearish engulfing pattern on the 2 hours time frame. Even if we move to 1 hour time frame, the analysis is mostly the same. And on the lower side, the market tested the upward trend line, which was supporting somewhere around 1922 level, and after that market fell down further to test the lowest level of the support level of 1907, which was extended by 50 pairs exponential moving average. Guys, at the same time, if you notice that the market has close a candle which looks like a hammer pattern. The hammer pattern is it is not exactly a hammer pattern, but it looks like a hammer pattern. As you see here, the shadows of the candle are too long while the body is too small, which is suggesting that the investors are confused now. In particular, like for example, in that particular case, the buyers were exhausted. In this particular case, the sellers are exhausted, and the next candle is has closed above our trend line, which is suggesting that the market is going to respect this trend line in future as well. So for now, we can say that the market is likely to find support somewhere around 1946 level, and right now the market is forming neutral candles. And the immediate resistance that gold is likely to find is going to be somewhere around 1964. Violation of this immediate resistance is likely to lead the gold prices towards 1982 level. By the way, guys, if you have observed that the market is forming higher high and higher low pattern, which means that sooner or later there is going to be a huge probability that the market can break gold on the higher side. And if this happens, then the next target for gold is pretty much likely to be somewhere around 2000 level, which is like for now the psychological level. But again, I will surely update you about the next levels that we can expect. But we have to keep an eye on 2K level, because this is going to be a psychological level, and this may provide a hurdle to the precious metal gold. Well, in any case, if market breaks below, like for example, this particular trend line, and market continues to form bearish candles below this level, here, and then we can expect a continuation of a selling trend in the precious metal gold. And the immediate support is pretty much likely to be somewhere around 1924 level, which we discussed earlier, which was extended by the upward trend line here. So the immediate resistance, immediate support in case of bearish breakout is pretty much likely to be 1924. Well, the violation of 1924 can extend bearish bias until 1906 level. So guys, now let's take a look at the Euro USD. As you can see here, the Euro USD is also stuck in the sideways range. The market again seems to wait for some high impacted fundamentals to drive further price action in the market. But in any case, for now, the market, as you see here, the market is trading in a sideways range. This is consolidating in between the upper range of 1.1782, while the lower range stays at 1.1694 level. and the violation of this range is likely to determine further trend in the market. So we can say that the market is we can expect a breakout on either side. So on the lower side, the market is also supported by the, as you see here, the upward trend line here. So the odds of bullish breakout seems pretty high, but again, since market is extremely overbought and in the longer time frame, and investors are looking for a reason to retrace back, so I must say that I will only be looking to take a buy position if market breaks above 1.1785 level, right? And as soon as market breaks above this particular level, the upward target is pretty much likely to be, let's take a look at the upward level. Okay, so the upward level is pretty much likely to be like we have to keep an eye on the breakout, and on the higher side, the next resistance is likely to be somewhere around 1.1836 level, and on the lower side, if market breaks below a 1.1697 level, or you can say 1.1700 level, the next support can belong to 1.1636 level. So guys, we have to trade the market with the bullish bias above 1.1700 level, whereas the closing of candles below 1.1700 level, they can lead the the Euro USD prices further lower, because this is going to be a violation of a upward trend line. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I hope you like the content. If you did, do not forget to click on the like button, and you can also chat with me in the chat box, like in the comment box below. You can share your comments and feedback, and do let me know if you need any help somewhere. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. See you guys tomorrow again with another forecast video, and until then, take care of yourself and have a very profitable session ahead.